Mercedes GLE 2020. We've done a full match audio upgrade on it. So it's all running on an Audison 5-channel lamp. So we got match kickball speakers, subs, and you've got the components for the front and the coax for the back speakers. So these all go in the factory location, but as you can see, there's nothing in the boot because everything has been hidden. It's all installed in the factory location, so no modification is needed to the door cards. It's the front ones, and you got the rear ones as well. It's all done with the original factory system. So it's the original sound system, a screen stereo from Mercedes.
From bowl to soul, exclusive
Music on here.
Bread, 140.
You can see it's nice and clear, crystal clear, and obviously the kick balls will go here underneath. If you want this upgrade done on your Mercedes to upgrade its sound, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.